Hi, my name is Christy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and we'll be having a Happy New Year. So in true sitcom style, I will be doing a compilation show, a look back memory, whatever you want to call it. You know, whenever a show would say, hey, remember when we used to do this, or last year when we did this, and it'll flashback to that. So this is what this is going to be. It is going to be a toast and a roast to all of my projects that I have done in 2021. I just started my channel in 2021, so basically this is just going to be a what was good and what was not so good of all the projects that I have done so far. So without further ado, let's get to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you are ready. I'm ready. I have the top 5 toasts for you and the bottom 5 roasts for you. I'm really scared of this. It is called larceny, so that can't be good. Okay, so let's start off with my top 5. So the toast. Number 5 is a project that I did very early on in the height of the pandemic, pajamas. Or as my sister would say, jammies. She's pretentious. So I made a pair of pajamas. It was from a thrifted dress that I bought for like $7, something like that. It was very soft material, so I turned it in pajamas and I actually wear them all the time. So that was a success. 2 pajamas, or jammies. Does anybody else say it like that? Just my sister? That's what I thought. Not bad. All right, so number 4 of my toasts is a raglan sleeve shirt that I made to match my dog. Yes, I know that sounds strange, but you have to watch both videos to understand. I really kind of hoped that this video would do better than it did because I thought it was really cute, and I actually wear this quite often, so it turned out well for me. But I liked it. The video is really cute too. At the end, I have me and my dog and our matching outfits, so if you're into that kind of thing, click the link and watch it. It's really cute. And it's also a little shout out to my co-star who has popped up in many of my videos, Roscoe. So here is a toast to the raglan sleeve shirt matching my dog, co-star Roscoe. Moving on to number 3. And this one was actually a little surprising. I didn't think I was going to like this. It is a brown shirt. Who likes a brown shirt? It's a brown shirt that I made from a sewing competition that I had with my YouTube friend Nikki from Janik Fashions, and her and I, we selected some challenge items for each other, and we were challenged to make something out of what these random items were. I was not excited about this one because it was brown fabric and it had to have lining and weird stuff like that, but actually it turned out really good. I like it. I added a braid detail that turned out cool, and I've gotten compliments on it as I've worn this out in public, and it's kind of cool to get compliments on something that you made yourself. So this is my number 3 toast, the brown shirt. Number 2 toasts. Number 2 is the cottagecore style dress that I made for my birthday. It turned out really well. It was fully lined, it had a zipper and it turned out good. Puffy sleeves, cottagecore, which I didn't even know what that meant until I did that video, but I'd seen it all over and thought I'd look into it. But again, I've worn it out several times in the scary public, and it just makes me feel good when I'm wearing it. It's pretty, it's purple, I love it. And the final reveal in that video was probably one of my favorites. Again, it was with my dog. I'm obsessed with my dog, I know, my co-star, but it's just really cute. We had a little picnic together in our backyard. Another shout out to Roscoe, my co-star, and my cottagecore style dress. Let's see how many takes I need to do. All right, that brings us to number 1. So my number 1 favorite thing that I have made in 2021 is, I have one hand. That's a pretty pathetic drum roll. My bustier dress. It just turned out really well, and it was much easier than I thought it was going to be. It's flattering and just had a really neat style. It just, one of those things that just turned out well. I mean, if you've followed my channel, you see I've had many struggles in the past, and this one actually just kind of flowed and it worked. After I got finished filming the reveal, my husband said I looked so fancy that he felt he needed to take me out to a nice dinner. So bonus. So I got a fun dinner out of it too. We went to a really nice restaurant and had a great time. Definitely want to give it a try at home and add it to your own wardrobe, and maybe you'll get taken out to a fancy restaurant too. So definitely bustier dress, favorite #1 toast. I feel like I should do this down at 1. Oh, that was a bad idea. Oh. Okay. Whoa. All right. That was a bad choice. All right, there you have it. There's my 5 favorite garments that I have made in 2021. Now let's go on to what you all been waiting for. The roasts. The bad things, the things that didn't work out, the things that I still had to show because that was what I claimed to do from the start, but I don't wear these. After I just chugged the rest of my toast, I'm moving on to my roast. So I have a very stylish Florida shot glass and larceny. It's 92 proof. Okay, bourbon. I'm regretting this already. The roasts. It's, you know, I'm a beginner still, so it is what it is. Anyway, so number 5 of the worst, in my opinion, items that I have made. I'm gonna start off with my workout pants. It was neon. That's mainly why I don't love these pants. It's not that they didn't fit well or turn out well. It's just the fabric. It's a waffly bullet fabric and it's bright orange with a brighter pink waistband. So for that reason alone, it just definitely not my favorite. I made some other workout wear, shout out to the 80s, that I did enjoy. The pants though, a little too much. I'm definitely not wearing these outside of the house. That video, that reveal, it was my own version of this aerobics competition that they used to have back in the day. So it's definitely worth a watch just to watch me try to dance like an aerobics instructor at the end. I like to try to have fun with my reveals. It was definitely fun to film. It just wasn't one of my favorite garments. So, number 5, the neon workout pants. I am so scared for this. Oh gosh, this feels like rubbing alcohol. I'm already joking. Okay, all right. Oh. Oh God. Oh, it's delightful. Okay. I'm back. All right, number 4, roast. Gosh, this was such a bad idea. So in the number 4 spot is a long time ago, I made a skirt that was fashioned from one of my husband's old button-up dress shirts. It turned out nice, like the skirt turned out really nice. The skirts don't look good on me, so it's more so that I took some creative editing to not show how bad it looked on me. It just not, I don't know, it might just be a me thing. I just don't enjoy skirts. They don't lay on my particular body shape so well. But I mean, it turned out nice. It's just, I just don't like it. I've never worn it since. So, number 4. Oh gosh, I don't have to do this again. Okay. Oh, I made the mistake of smelling it while I was doing that. Oh, I almost legit just threw up. Okay. My eyes are starting to water. Okay. Is it hot in here? All right, moving on. Let's get this over with. I am back with number 3. Number 3, roast. And this is another skirt, and for the same reason. Skirts just don't look right on me. This was another challenge that I had with my YouTube friend Nikki from Janik Fashions, where we again challenged each other, and this is one I actually completely used the wrong fabric. I thought I was using the right fabric, didn't realize it until I was editing the video that I completely used the wrong fabric. So, whoops, my bad. Although the fabric that I did use, I think made a better skirt. for someone else, not for me. Because again, skirts just don't look good on me. They just don't fall well. It took, again, creative editing to try to not show that. And I don't know if I was successful. But anyways, again, I haven't worn it since the reveal. But, oh God, here we go again. Okay, so here's the number 3. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the worst video idea I've ever had. Number 2. This is my very first video that I put out. And I mean, I was proud of it at the time, but when I look back on it now, that video is real cringy, real cringy. Give it a go. Click that link. Check it out. I turned an old blouse of mine into a swimsuit cover-up. I haven't tried it on since then. Honestly, it barely fit then, and I have unfortunately gained a little weight since then, and thank you, pandemic, it's not gonna fit now. Yeah, it was my first go at something, and it was cute, but you know what, it was my number 2. Number 2 roast, I know, but you know, whatever, it's fine. And I just remembered that I have to do this. Okay, maybe I hold my nose. Oh, God, okay. Okay. It's better if you hold your nose. Okay. Which brings me back to my fake drum roll of one hand, because I have this horrible thing in my other hand. Drum roll of my number 1 roast is the bedsheet dress. I thrifted a bedsheet, really pretty color. It was a deep pink, very soft fabric. I tried to show my disappointment in the final reveal, and click the link and watch the end. You'll see it's, yeah, I didn't really succeed in that. But as my husband says, they can't all be winners, and that one wasn't a winner. It's, yeah, it just, I don't know if it was the ruffle or it's just not my style of dress. It just didn't turn out well, and it was 2 layers of the bedsheet fabric, so they kept sticking to each other, and just, yeah, it, I mean, there's a lot of fabric there because it's a bedsheet, so I mean, it's a great thing to practice on. So maybe down the road, I will refashion it into something else. We'll see. There you have it, everybody. My roasts and toasts to 2021. I will do this as a down in one to send you all off into 2022. All right, here we go. To mentally prepare myself for this. Okay. Oh, come on, Florida. Shot glass. Be good to me. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna hold my nose or anything. Oh, I smelled it. Okay. Thank God that's done. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back in 2022 with more projects. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve. Please stay safe, and I will see you in 2022. Make it a great day. Or, let's make it a great year. Yeah, that's really cheesy. Yeah. I'm gonna go lay down and take a nap now.